I think packaging should be synonymous with sustainability. So much on the news about plastic waste. Everybody is trying to put a green stamp on something. But I think that there is a tremendous amount of improvements to be made. This industry needs a reform. It's never been more important for everyone to start learning, making changes, and becoming more responsible. At ROOTREE, sustainability describes more than just our packaging. It's the way we work, the way we live, and everything we do. We are at heart farmers, so we grow microgreens. We are all nutritionists, so we also have a family restaurant. If we are going to truly stand for sustainability, then we feel that everybody's health should be elevated. With such a strong foundation and partnership with HP Indigo, I believe that we have the ultimate recipe for what packaging is going to be in the future. ROOTREE's used HP Indigo 20,000 digital printing press to really help us grow our sustainable packaging business. There is just this vast number of tools made available to us to create outstanding print and therefore outstanding packaging. It just allows us to grow at a rapid pace, take on a lot of new accounts. Converting customers to digital, converting them to sustainable, HP and Indigo Electro Inks all play a part of that, getting us closer to where we can say, hey, this is truly a compostable pouch. In HP Pack Ready Lamination, you're not dealing with solvents, you're dealing with thermal active films, creating maybe 15% of the waste that would be created on the traditional solvent-based lamination. So the waste, if you compare it to anything else, is tremendously different, and that speaks very loudly for sustainability. By 2021, 90% of the products we'll produce are going to be truly sustainable options, truly recyclable options, truly compostable options. But with HP Indigo behind us, we feel we have that much more resources, ability to create the impact that we want to create.